Hello everybody, and so today, and right now, I am going to describe to you my Rube Goldberg device. You'll be seeing how it turns out later. First of all, the way I'm going to start my Rube Goldberg device is to light these candles. And so, there's a lot of transfers of energy just right here in the first couple of stages. So, the heat from the flame coming from the lighter starts an exothermic reaction which causes the chemical energy in the candles, the wax of the candles, to turn into flames, and which in turn heats the air around it with thermal energy, and then the heated air rises because it is lighter than cold air, and it turns this propeller. And then, see these sticks on the ends of the propellers? They spin, run into this ball on the track. The ball rolls down the track, knocks into this semi-lever-like thing on top of a beer bottle. It hits one end, and it turns and hits the other ball, which is on the other track. And it goes down here, runs into this hammer. The hammer goes down and hits a power strip, which turns on a pump in that orange bucket over there, and then that pump pumps water from the orange bucket into this watering can, and when the watering can is filled up, it is full of potential energy. With all of the heavy water up here, it overflows and goes down through this pipe, converting the potential energy into kinetic energy, and so it goes down into this bowl, which then overflows, goes down this track, converting the remaining potential energy into kinetic energy, and then the kinetic energy of the water rolling down the track and onto this water wheel is converted into kinetic energy for the water wheel, and it winds this cord here, dragging a nut on a string across a mouse trap, and when the mouse trap sets off, it yanks this bolt away, and the marble behind it rolls down the track, and that has lots of potential energy because it's high up and the ball is pretty heavy, and it rolls over to here, and it hits another one of the semi-lever-like things on top of a beer bottle, forks taped together, and it's just like the first one described earlier, only that when it runs into it, there is a stick on the end which points vertically down, and that starts dominoes, and the last domino runs into here, which is another semi-lever-like device thing on top of a beer bottle, and that turns and knocks a ball down a track, goes around in a circle, and there's a lot of potential energy there because it has lots of time to accelerate. Yes, I said accelerate. Hooray for me. And it also is relatively high up, so it falls down the track and runs into these dominoes. The dominoes go down and set off this mouse trap here, and the army soldier, who is laying down right now, haven't set him up yet, he falls into the mouse trap and dies. That's the goal of my machine, to kill the unfortunate plastic army soldier. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes.